Hey folks, this will be pretty quick, but I just got a note from Knack. They said, hey, we enabled AI creation of apps in your account. Now, that's right here, create an app, and they have this thing called Create with AI. I do not know how they're rolling this out to the users, but I thought I'd just check it out. So here's what it is, Create with AI. This is my first time doing this, by the way, and I just got this note. Now it says write a brief description. Now, instead of writing one online here, I already did one. I'm going to paste it in. You know, I do a lot of accounting apps. So this says, hey, I need one for annual budget. It's made up of activities by year. Then admin creates activity along with its budget. Then invoices are created and expense line items go against each activity. That way the app will be able to show each activity, what the total budget is, how much has been expensed so far, and what the remaining budget is. That's what I got. I've got 387 characters, I believe, but I have 400 allowed, so I'm pretty close to that. Let's see what it does. Now, this probably is going to take a minute, so I'm going to do create here, and then I'm going to pause this. And I'll be right back when it's done, let you know how long it took. Okay, I'm back. That took a little less than a minute. Comes back with the tables it created. These look pretty good. Let's say see the app. This is a preview mode. I'm going to get to the guts of it. Let's move this thing out of the way. Data. Years. Let's see what the fields are. Just year. We'd sum up all this, by the way, but I got the years. Activities have a name, a budget, and connection to a year, which is in the right direction. Invoices, invoice number, date. This actually doesn't need to be attached to the activity. It should be attached to the year. Expense items. It's created connection to the invoice. That's correct. Now it needs to be connected. It needs a bunch more stuff, but this is all right. Budget summary. Currency connection. This works too. And they got an administrator here. It doesn't account for a lot of stuff. Let's look at this, by the way, I'm impressed. This doesn't do nearly what I needed to, but this thing has potential. I don't think I'm quite out of a job yet, but I like it. Let's go to the pages side, check that up. Let's move this, I'll make it smaller. Years, yeah, that works. Activities. They really need a home page, but this works. It's not enabled users, logged in users, but that's okay. I'm very particular on how I build out pages, but this is good. Let's look at this data model thing. I don't know if you've seen this. Yeah, this could be usable. Now let's look at the real app. Here's a real app that does what I need to do. You see all the years. This has a grant aspect to it. Activities have a whole bunch of fields. We've got a ton of stuff here. Pages, there's a whole bunch of stuff too. But I gotta tell you, this is pretty slick. It's gonna go places, obviously. You can't turn around the corner without running into AI these days. Appreciate you watching this. Just thought I'd check it out. First time go around. Thanks.